Welcome to your midweek weather update. We're going to take a look at the strong cold front to reach the southwest coast later today, but we'll also have a look at the cold and frosty mornings that will continue in the east. So starting off with our weather map for the rest of tonight, we can see that cold front approaching southwestern Western Australia. It's likely to reach Perth at around 8 p.m. local time, bringing showers, thunderstorms and the potential for damaging winds and heavy rainfall. Now we have a dedicated severe weather video current for this frontal system, which will give you all the details of the warnings and hazards associated with this front. It is a different story in the east though, with much more settled conditions through eastern and central Australia under the influence of the high pressure system that's sitting over Tasmania. We do have hazardous surf warnings in place though, extending from the Victorian border all the way up to Gurri in Queensland, associated with this deep low pressure system sitting well offshore. Now the hazardous surf warnings are flagging the risk of dangerous marine conditions and large waves and are likely to continue through the rest of the week. Going through the rest of Thursday now, we can see the cold front sweeping across the southern districts of Western Australia, cold air showers and hail following in its front. We also do have patchy rain a little further north though, across parts of the Pilbara and Gascoyne, pushing towards the interior. Now that's associated with a cloud band coming down from the Indian Ocean. We're not likely to see high rainfall totals in these parts, but the rainfall is a little unseasonal for this time of year. Meanwhile, the cold front is pushing into South Australia and it will continue on its way into Friday, brushing the South Australian coast with a few showers and thunderstorms, mostly about that coastal fringe. Now, this system will actually push across the southeast states this weekend, but its impacts aren't going to be as strong as previous cold fronts and won't push too far inland. Meanwhile, mostly settled conditions through the southwest and northeast through Queensland, but we'll see that patchy rain continuing through Western Australia. Taking a look at our temperatures now, we can see sub-zero conditions tomorrow morning through much of Central Australia, southeast Queensland and inland New South Wales, Victoria and Tasmania. Frosts are once again possible in these areas. While the temperatures won't be quite as low as today or yesterday morning, we still might see some very, very cool conditions extending across those southeastern parts. Cool elsewhere tomorrow morning as well, slightly milder through inland Western Australia ahead of that cold front. Daytime conditions will feel the brunt of that cold front though. We can see how the temperatures are dropping across the southwest land division behind that system. Still fairly cool elsewhere across the country as well, with temperatures in general below average. Friday morning, we'll see some slightly frosty conditions starting to push across southwest Western Australia as well as the cold air behind the front settles in. It will still be cold in the east as well, but the temperatures aren't quite as low on Friday as they will be tomorrow, and you can see that those sub-zero areas are contracting towards the east coast. Friday's daytime temperatures will stay cool, particularly across southwestern parts of the country, starting to push into those central parts of Western Australia as well, under the cloud band that's bringing that patchy rain. For all the details for your area, check out the Bureau's website or the BOM social media. We'll catch you next time.